Hi guys, my name is Kiva and welcome back to DIY with KB. So in today's vlog, we're gonna do some shopping. We're gonna go to Arhaus, Restoration Hardware, Ross Dress for Less. I know you're like, what? How do those things work together? Well, you're just gonna have to watch and find out what we pick up. Before we get into today's video, if you like my content, please remember to subscribe, like this video, and check me out on Instagram at Kiva.Brand. Now let's get into it. Guys, I love coming to Ross because I can get like 100 brushes for the price of like one brush somewhere else. Like one good brush is like $30. I can get a million brushes for $30 here, and I don't feel bad about it. And I know that Babe and I are not gonna wash them, you know, so it's just not
very true. We never wash them, even though I say I will. And like this canvas, this 16 by 20 is only $6. This 9-pack of 12 by 12 is only $12. So you could like practice on all of these. Kiva has a bunch of these multi-packs and they helped her like do better on bigger canvases if you can practice on a little one.
They're playing good music here. Good little gift. That is such a good gift for $20. If you gave me that,
that's cute.
I would love that.
We found more, so she's very excited.
Yeah, so much paint pouring stuff. Like, I don't do that, but it's fun. I want to learn how to do Chinese brush painting. How much is this? You see, like, this is only $15.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's so fun.
They also have all this paint over here, all that acrylic paint.
True. Guys, this is a great place to get a gift and starter pack. I love Ross. I love it.
Yeah, like that little art set. That would be so cute. I bet that's like $10.
The colored pencils are also nice.
$5. Wow.
Oh my god. Oh, this is a table cover roll. It's not the same.
Is that canvas?
I thought it was gonna be canvas.
Is that it? It looks different.
It's different, right? No, I think it's the same.
Darn, that would have been exciting.
Yeah, whatever. That was gonna be crazy. So Wiener has a play date tonight, and yeah, we take our dog for play dates because we didn't socialize him well when he was younger, so we try really hard now.
And this friend is like the same breed as him, so they get along really well.
Equally as silly. But Wiener is in need of a new bed, and I just found this one. He likes these ones that like
that are made for cats
because it makes him feel snuggled, and he likes that. And no, he doesn't sleep in our bed because just bad things happen when that happens. But I love this. It's called Wagon Wolf. It's only $15. Do you think he's gonna be afraid of it because of his ears?
No, it's fine.
Guys, I absolutely love Ross. And we actually have it's a wiener. It's his French. I don't think this goes with my decor though. Unfortunately. Modern dog aesthetic.
We also we bought a few of these when we were first starting out. Like if you just are a basic nude to DIY, these are only like $7. The Stanleys are good.
The DeWalt is also good.
Yeah, the DeWalt kit is good. That one, we've tried most of
Should I
them.
put this on our cart?
No.
Okay. Hot Wheels. Only $15 for this marble
It's
lazy
like kind of like
Susan.
a pink undertone.
Yeah, I like
It's really
that.
cute.
That's cool. You could use that in like a bathroom, I think. Not a kitchen, but a bathroom. I would buy this and paint this. It's $25, but that's not that bad.
It's pretty big.
It's really big. Me relative to it.
This is all their decor. Sometimes they have nothing, and sometimes they have a lot of things. They also have stems now, which I did not know.
We are at Five Below. We kind of like to go to Five Below every weekend and just like we'll go out to eat or get some dinner and go look around Five Below. We're doing a Christmas present for somebody and they just like love candy. So we're just gonna do candy in a nice box, make it like really nice and fancy. And you're like, it's candy, how are you gonna do that? I will show you when we get home. But we're just looking in the home section. Like, this is so cute.
These we had, and like if you like don't sit on it, it's pretty cute.
Yeah, like it is pretty good for $5. We actually had this time where we were obsessed with like little fountains, so we bought them like every single style that Five Below sells, and we would just like stare at them all day, and we loved that. Okay, look at what I just found. I actually really love tables from Five Below. They hold up really well. When we first moved and we didn't have any money. We got our side tables from here, and people still ask me about them to this day, and they're $5. But I just found these. I'm gonna upcycle them somehow, and I'm gonna make them look really cute so that you guys can get something affordable for the holidays. Okay, we got boxes at Walmart. They're just for like gifts that we picked up. And now we're going to Ross. And yes, Ross Dress for Less. You guys were stunned on Instagram. They have a lot of good things. So we're gonna go into this one. We had good luck at the one yesterday. The stuff was pretty useful. It actually helped me finish up an art project for a client without having to spend too much money. Because, you know, even if I'm doing something for a client and like I could buy more expensive like tools, why not keep the price down for them if I can? This art section is even better. They have tons and tons of stuff. They have this really fancy brand of a protractor and the compass, and that's normally like $20 at like a Joann, and it's $3 here. And look at all these canvases. And they even have a nice little craft cart. This is like the same price as IKEA, so that's not bad. And all these little kits. This is what I'm getting. This 24 pack of 12 by 16 for $25. So like that's really, really good. And they're like nice and thin, so I can frame them easily or like throw them away. This paper rosette kit is only $3, and they have something just like this at West Elm mounted to a canvas for at least $300. So you could make this in like a second. Like, should I make that? I know, I saw that. Like, should I make that?
Yeah, that'd be good.
It's only $3. Guys, I feel like I want to start giving away like my DIYs, but like I'm worried about shipping. So if you guys have any good ideas on how to ship things affordably, I'm happy to give them away like after every major video that I do where I find something good. Okay, we also found these ones. Can you talk about them?
18 by 24 panel, and it's $8 for 2 of them. So you could frame these like using the IKEA frame.
Like, these are so easy to frame. Maybe I should get these and put it in the Ribba frame.
Yeah.
Maybe it's the right size. I don't know. We can get these and try, and then I can show you how to make a bigger mat.
That's why the thin ones are good sometimes. But
Yeah.
not all the time.
Yeah, because you can't put these just right up on the wall. But it's a good option. They have a lot of good things. Some of you said you got one that's like 40 by 60 inches here, so that's really good. But all of these are also pretty affordable. So I feel like this is giving me like the RH vibes. I feel like they do this in these really modern rooms. They added like an artsy touch like this with like a little African ode. This is $22, so I feel like that's pretty good.
No, yeah, the glam stuff is nice.
For like a glam house, if you wanted to do like black, white, and gold like glam, this would be a really good option. It's only $11. So it's like shiny and glam, but it's still like regal looking, I think. Wow. Guys, this is kind of crazy. It's only $129, and this is a bone shoot, like faux shoot green vanity.
It's probably better that it's faux because ours really dings up easily, so.
$140, and then there's a phone here. You can charge your phone and put in like your hair dryer and all that stuff. So like this is like a really good find. This is really good. This is like $2,000. These are also so rustic. Look at these. I feel like they're really good. I don't think you could put weight on them, but for $40, I think it does what you want it to do.
They look exactly like RH Ski House.
RH Ski House, you guys. Okay, so we're at our house. Look at how pretty it is. We've only been here like literally once ever. We've been to the outlet in Cleveland once. Babe made us drive 3 hours there, and we bought absolutely nothing. But now maybe we'll find something good in the store. Looks kind of just like the one from at home to me. If I'm being completely honest.
I like it.
This is the price there.
1,000?
Yeah, I just feel like
It's kind of small.
yeah, it is. Oh, I love this. Guys, look at how good these are. I love this one. It reminds me of the Joshua vase, but it's a little bit more wide. It's only $69. I'm definitely getting this. I feel like I don't have a use for the big one. What do you think, honey?
I don't think so either. Kiva likes this bench and is trying to buy it, but we have no use for it. She also already found a vessel and is putting up at the front because she's paranoid that someone will steal it. Except there's literally no one else in the store. Kiva also loves this. I think this would look super cute in our dining room.
What do you mean? No, like to go in one of those vases on a table, like that thing I was talking about. Guys, this is $349. Obviously, it's free outside, but I feel like it looks
It's a
pretty
dogwood
real for
fake
a faux tree. Don't you think? And that's like a hefty stem there. Like, that's really good. I'm pretty impressed. This tray is exquisite. I've never put a tray on a bed before, but it's a good idea if you don't sit in your bed all day like we do. We are bed people.
And it's $300, so we rejected it because that's a lot for what looks like a piece of wood with handles on it. I like this dresser a lot as well.
Oh, this is like their modular stuff right here.
Yeah, but it's not their cloud.
I know.
I like this chair.
It's comfy. It's just like kind of weird. Yeah, this chair's really nice.
Everything is 40% or 30% off. So we are looking. She wants a lot of.
Approximately 200. Should I ask Sarah if she wants this?
Sure. She's looking for clients, and then she always finds something for herself.
Hey, you never know when I'm gonna have a client. They're gonna be like, I've been looking for this forever, and I'll say I bought it 6 months ago, and it's just been sitting in my house. Guys, I literally never stop shopping for coffee tables. Mind you, I do not use our coffee table, not one bit.
I thought the side table was overpriced, but I feel like this one's pretty good. And
I
the
like that.
rug is cute. It looks nice and thick.
Is this attached to this? No. Yeah. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. I love it. That's so smart. For $249, that's smart. That's good for like a den or like a man cave or something like that, or a woman cave. Excuse me, a woman cave.
Don't see anything you like. She's looking through the rug swatches.
You know, like anything for like an option. I mean, now we're at the mall. We are in Nordstrom right now because I really had to pee. And then we're gonna go do some returns. We have to go to Macy's and H&M, and then we're gonna go to RH and probably buy some vessels. I don't know, just in the mood to buy some vessels. Hi, honey.
We're in Restoration Hardware. Kiva likes this vessel. I think it's a little bit red for the house. We also have been wanting these ones that are up here. And they're black, which really goes.
These little things that we're trying to make, I actually like them a lot. They're better than the Arhaus ones. And they're not too expensive.
We're just getting an idea of them because it's kind of hard to tell like size and stuff online.
Yeah, definitely. I also love this mirror that I'm not gonna buy.
I do too. This is the Fleur, I think something fleur-de-lis mirror.
This looks like those mirrors that I get from like antique stores.
Oh my god, I was right. Wow, that's really crazy that I know that.
Metal frame mirror. So today we're looking for vessels because I just like feel like I need them. Do I have anywhere to put them? No, but hopefully I can get something that's a little bit more. I want things that are more traditional to really contrast with like our modern home, especially since we're doing one in the bedroom. I really want to make it look kind of a little bit more regal. So that's what we're searching for today, and I wanted to see in person instead of online so that I wasn't disappointed when the stuff came.
And like you get a better idea of size.
Yeah.
We love everyone that works here. They're always so nice to us.
Okay, so we are finishing up our order. We got 2 urns, a bowl, and I think that's it. Because we talked about what we're gonna do with the alcove, and I think we figured it out. So now we're gonna go to Construction Junction, I think. It depends on what Babe's schedule is for the rest of the day. And then go from there. We are thinking about just doing a mantle, so we're gonna try and find an older one. We are leaving the mall. We just got some boba because it's been a minute. Sure. And Babe loves boba. When we lived in Philly, there was a place like 2 blocks from like our dorm.
It was like 1 block from my dorm. We lived in different dorms freshman year.
Obviously. She lived in the, I lived in Women in Leadership, and she lived in Science and...
yeah, it was the science floor.
It was the science floor. I mean, mine also wasn't that hippie. Where's our car?
Right there.
I was like, someone stole our car. But we did our little RH order. So we have an idea of what we're doing. The store I was going to go to is closed. So I'll have to go tomorrow morning. But yeah, that's it. And hopefully what I need for my DIY project is there when I get home, so I can do it tonight and put it in the video for you guys. Okay, so we are home and I want to show you the things I got today. So there are like 10 projects in my head right now and I'm like freaking out about it. Not in like a bad way, like I'm so excited to do it. So let me tell you the things I got today. So we went to Arhaus and Restoration Hardware today. I'd never been to Arhaus before, really, to shop, like I said, and they were having their friends and family sale, so it's 30% off. I don't know when that ends, but I would definitely recommend stopping by. So this is the first thing I got, and today I have receipts, people. I have receipts, so I can give you the prices, because sometimes I'm like in this range, but you really need to know. If you're wondering what this is a painting for a client. Both of those are. I'm taking them to her in a few days. I'm so excited. She's moving in. Woohoo. So this is the relic wood tray in the large size. As you can see, it's just like a really nice wooden trough. And what I love about it is it's not too tall. It's nice and shallow. The one that we had before, the dough bowl, is just so big. It looks really awkward on our coffee table and dining table. I really need to get rid of it. So I wanted something that added some earthiness though, so we got this one. I think this is gonna go on the coffee table, and then I'm gonna bring the tablescape that I put over there, over here, but I'm thinking of rotating the living room right now because I want it to be a little bit more open, but who knows what I'm gonna do. So this is the first thing I got. It's originally $3.99, but on sale today it was $2.79, which is great. It is actual wood. You can see here, I mean, when I saw this, I had to have it, and they are one of a kind, so not everyone is the same. So there was a larger one for the exact same price, but it was gonna be too large for our space, so we got this one instead. Oh, also, you guys see this Arhaus bag? Oof, it's so heavy. Ugh. Look at that. Isn't that the cutest little tote? Like, I asked Babe if I could use this every day, but she said no, that would be embarrassing, so what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? The next thing I got was this vase. The second I saw it, I ran to it. Like, can you imagine me running through the store? And I did it. So I got this vase here. It is the Umbria Urn Small. The big one was just too big for what I wanted to use it for. And it was only $48.30. It is so cute. It reminds me of the Joshua vase, but it's gray. And they had a lot of other earthy vases there. If you like the weathered look, like with the weathered and terracotta look, they have tons of them. Those ones I believe are $49. And at Arhaus, which I didn't know, is you can take things same day, which I'm not used to. So Restoration Hardware, you can't take anything same day. Crate and Barrel, a lot of things you can, but they're also like the bigger pieces you definitely cannot. But this, I could take same day. I was happy to get it. I'm glad I got this size. And then I only got one other thing. So I got this gold platter. It is the Angelo Tray Square. And I got it for $90.30. It is originally $129 plus tax. I think it's exquisite. It is like a hammered brass. I love the hammered look. They had another tray that I loved that they had styled on the bed, and I want to say it was at least like 2.5 feet in diameter, which I love. Diameter is not the right word. So it was 2.5 feet, probably by like 3 feet or something like that. I loved it. But it was $400, and sure, it was on sale, but like I couldn't justify that and I have no use for it. But I love this one as well. Look at that. It's a nice subtle color. So I love gold, but gold can go from luxurious to gaudy real quick. And I didn't want to put myself in this situation, so I love that one. I also went to RH and I got some things. Obviously I can't walk out, but I'll tell you what I got. I'll put it on the screen here. So I got 2 weathered urns and some type of bowl or platter of some sort. I don't remember what it was, but everything, they have a lot of clearance items right now. None of those things are in clearance, but they do have a lot of clearance items right now. And we just took the time in the store, as you saw, to just like look around, see what things look like in terms of scale. So when those things come in, I'm so excited to show that to you. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Look how amazing this trough looks. I'm so happy I picked it up from Arhaus. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and until next time, have a beautiful day.